MLA ke South Shillong constituency ubasan bor Shulai ulap lepat ba ke traffic booth jogi pulit peniat kali ke bulat tailing ba ke discretionary grant ke basilak lai puhajar tengka barula IT ha USP traffic uke prasat bani openon kam ha ke balai dan langki he pulit urang ba snong ba kinong lam snong ubasan bor Shulai uloong balatai ke ke traffic booth ke dei namar kejing ut jogi pat ba bat kam tam ba ke than ke dei ke batnam ba ke berani ke jaka pulia ke jaka sumar bat kayo kumtakan ajing mentoy ke pulit peniat kali ke badan hakan kejaka bagi nyoban kemi bat peniat renti ya ki kali. Hadian kene ubasan bor Shulai ulalet ru ban plia ke pat khana pat ba ke belatei dengan Shillong Municipal Board ha ke jinglot ke bakot sanlak tengka. Ta ke jing temu ban penbiang ya ke jing dan kam ke pat ba bat kinong let nong wan. Bagi nyok pedan kam ya ke pat khana ke ban long ru kum kalat ban ra ke jing khoj ha ke nekathan.
And this place is very busy place. This market place, and the problem that we are facing now, and based on the request of the general public of the entire Laban area and Greater Laban area, that we need urgently a police booth. Here a police booth has to enable the traffic department to regulate the flow of traffic, and also to see that the safety of the pedestrians, especially the students, the children. So today, with the blessing of God, we have all 60 MLA. We are getting since last year 20 lakhs in the form of discretionary grant, and through this 20 lakhs, I have sanctioned 1,30,000 to set up this police booth for the interest of the police traffic department and for the interest of the general public. And later on, after the handing over of this police booth to the authority of the traffic department in presence of Honorable SP Prasad, then we will go down, a little bit down, where we are going to inaugurate the public urinal toilet and urinal system in the form of pay and use toilet and urinal system. This is also the long aspiration of the people of the Greater Laban, especially the people of our Laban area, because they don't have this toilet and urinal facilities.